continuously coming in, but the big question still remains. How many more daughters will have to give their bali? How many more women will have to pay for the dowry torture that there lies before the entire nation wakes up to the reality and takes action? We ask you today because now the country which is demanding justice for Nikki Bhatti, but she was all just 28 years old. He had a promising future. She married into the Bhatti family, claiming that she would have a happy married life, but all that 9 years of that marriage gave her was nothing but assault and the pressure that was building for more dowry. Now, earlier this week, Nikki Bhatti was not just tortured. She was beaten up, she was assaulted, she was pulled by the hair, she was dragged, and ultimately she was set on fire. All of this came at the hands of the very same husband of Nikki, which is Vipin Bhatti. Hours later, unfortunately, Nikki succumbed to her burn injuries at a hospital in Delhi. But the most haunting of all has been the statement that came in from their son. Well, the son who has been claiming he's just a 6-year-old boy, saying that Papa ne mummy ko lighter se aag laga di. But as we talk about when it comes to the arrests that have now been made in the case, fourth accused in the Greater Noida dowry death case has now been arrested, and he's the accused brother and brother-in-law who is the victim of Nikki, which is Rohit Bhatti. So where we are looking at as far as when it comes to the father-in-law, the mother-in-law, the husband, and his brother, all four of them have now been arrested. They have been accused of carrying out this pressure, this assault, this torture on Nikki. As far as Nikki's sister is also concerned, she's also married in the same family. And now the same family today is coming out to demand justice for their daughter. The father has come out to say that he knew his daughter was being tortured in the family of Vipin. However, time and again, when it comes to the demands, the greed, the lust for money had grown so much over the years that whatever has been given on several occasions to them, they continue to mount with their demands. This time, what is being said, the latest arrest that has been made is of the victim Nikki's brother-in-law, that is the Vipin's, the main accused in the case. His brother too has now been arrested. Let's in the meantime get in a word from Kritika now. So Kritika, Greater Noida dowry horror, the murder case that we are looking at, all of the accused now, three of them who are believed to be on the run, that is the mother-in-law, the father-in-law and the brother-in-law, all of them have now been taken into custody.
Well, absolutely. All four accused in the Noida dowry death case have been arrested. As of this early morning, both the brother-in-law and the father-in-law has also been nabbed by the Noida police. Remember, yesterday, Vipin, the prime accused in this case, he has been sent for a 14-day judicial custody. We'll also wait and see that these three will also be produced in court, and final judgment also awaits them. However, currently, we're reporting from near the residence of Vipin Bhatti. This is the house wherein the crime went down at. Third floor is where the parlor used to run. We can see the shop, which is also owned by Vipin Bhatti here, the grocery store, which here now we are also surrounded by all of Bhatti family's friends and neighbors. Around me you can see at least 100 people have gathered here, men, women, they're all standing here, and their demands are now on the lines of getting justice for, in fact, Vipin. So this is a Bhatti family versus a Payal family incidents that we are seeing now. On the one hand, when we spoke yesterday to Bikari Singh Ji, the father of Nikki, he told us how he...
what is the sentiment being generated? Because the family of Nikki is coming out seeking justice, but they knew that she was being tortured.
Well, exactly. We'll take it straight to the family friends of the Bhatti family here. Sir, बार-बार भिखारी सिंह जी ये कह रहे हैं कि सालों से, महीनों से टॉर्चर किया जा रहा था दोनों बहनों को. आपको क्या मालूम है इसके बारे में?
तो मैं यही चीज कहना चाहूंगा, अगर इतने सालों से टॉर्चर किया जा रहा था, करीब 9 साल शादी को हुए हैं, आप उनके सोशल अकाउंट देख सकते हैं या कोई भी अदरवाइज उनकी कोई कंप्लेंट क्यों नहीं थी उस दौरान? अगर आपको दहेज के लिए प्रताड़ित किया जा रहा है तो आप कंप्लेंट कीजिए. प्रशासन है, आज आप कह रहे हैं कि हमारी बेटी को मार दिया गया.
आपके सामने दहेज को लेकर कोई लड़ाई नहीं थी. तो क्या लड़ाई थी? क्योंकि हमने देखा है मारपीट की तो वीडियो हमने देखी है, वो कैसे उसके बाल पुल कर रहा है, ये सब तो हम सब लोगों ने देखा है.
उस चीज का रीजन मैं बताता हूँ. जब ये वीडियोस करीब 1 साल पहले का है, जिस समय इनका आपस में कुछ मतभेद हुआ था, तो उस वीडियो में आप एक चीज देखेंगे, उसके बैक साइड में कुछ लगा हुआ है. इसकी वाइफ ने उसके ऊपर जैसे कोई हाथ चलाया, कांच की बोतल कुछ मारी है। सपोज दैट कोई भी इंसान है, मैं आपके ऊपर अगर वार करता हूँ,
कह रहे वो वीडियो पुरानी है?
जी हाँ, उसमें अपना सेफ्टी के पर्पज से जब उसने उसके ऊपर हाथ
तो अभी क्या हुआ था? ये जो 21 अगस्त की घटना है, शाम में हमने देखा, वीडियो है हमारे पास कि कैसे निकी का शरीर जल रहा है, तो उस दिन क्या बात हुई थी?
उस दिन का मेरे पास सीसीटीवी है, ये मेरे ही कैमरे से आया है और आप इसमें देखेंगे जिस समय का निक्की का जलने का ये वीडियो आया है, उस दौरान विपिन बाहर है, इनके जो ससुर जी हैं सतवीर भाटी और रोहित वो शॉप के अंदर है, उसका वीडियो ये रहा।
तो आखिर क्या लड़ाई थी इस दंपत्ति के बीच में? लड़ाई क्या थी?
हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते, पर लेकिन जो अंदर है उस चीज के लिए तो उसकी
कुछ तो आपको मालूम होगा। आपको क्या लग रहा है, क्या लड़ाई थी? क्या पार्लर को लेकर कुछ झगड़ा था? इंस्टाग्राम को लेकर कुछ झगड़ा था?
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि कोई ऐसा झगड़ा नहीं था फिलहाल जिस टाइम पे लड़की ने आग लगाई, और जो भी थोड़ी बहुत पता है ना, वो खाली उसकी बहन को पता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे वो ही ऊपर थी, बाकी और कोई घर परिवार का ऊपर नहीं था, है ना। तो उसको ही पता है सारी चीजें। उसने एक चीज बताओ, लड़की आग लगा रही है, लड़की ये सारी चीजें प्लानिंग करी गई हुई है, उसमें दिख रहा है कि लड़की जल रही है और वो वीडियो बना रही है।
पर हमारे पास बच्चे का भी टेस्टिमनी है। निक्की के बच्चे ने खुद कहा है कि लाइटर से मम्मी को जलाया, पापा ने जलाया, मम्मी को जलाया। ऐसा बच्चा कह रहा है निक्की का और विपिन का।
ये सब झूठे एलिगेशन लगाया जा रहा है। बाकायदा सीसीटीवी कैमरे में रिकॉर्डिंग है, उसमें देख लो विपिन के साथ बच्चे घर के बाहर खड़े, तीनों, एक नहीं तीनों, बाकायदा कपड़े भी मैच करके देख लेना, सीसीटीवी कैमरे रिकॉर्डिंग में कपड़े भी मैच हो जाएंगे।
ये बताइए, बार बार ये जो दहेज की बात है, आज के दिन तक भी लगातार ये जो हंगामा चल रहा है, निक्की की फैमिली लगातार ये बात कर रही है कि पहले भी जब शादी हुई थी 2016 में काफी दहेज दिया गया था, फिर से यही मांग और दहेज को लेकर टॉर्चर। फिर जब ये लड़ाई खराब होती है तो हम देखते हैं शाम में कैसे उस लड़की को आग लगा दी जाती है। आप लोग कह रहे हैं उसने आग लगा ली। आखिर लड़ाई की वजह क्या थी? क्योंकि मार पिटाई और ये सब झगड़ा ये तो कॉन्स्टेंटली चल ही रहा था इस परिवार में।
आप भी जानते हैं मैम, आज के टाइम में कोई ऐसी फैमिली नहीं है जिसमें लड़ाई झगड़ा ना होता हो।
ठीक है।
लेकिन वो जो भी कुछ हुआ है, वो निक्की की बहन ने वीडियो जो आपके हमारे पास है, वो वॉइस क्लिप में शुरू में जो उसने वॉइस बोला है उसमें सब कुछ क्लियर है। उसने बोला है कि निक्की बहन तूने ये क्या कर लिया,
जिस वीडियो में उसका जो जहाँ बैठी हुई
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और जो वो मार पिटाई की वीडियो है वो एडिट करके डाली हुई है। वो
झगड़ा किस बात का था?
झगड़ा देखो मैम, इतना हम नहीं बता सकते, लेकिन जो भी कुछ ये इन पे आरोप लगाया जा रहा है ये सब कुछ झूठ है। 9 साल
तो वजह होगी अगर झगड़े होते हैं। आप कह रहे हो कि झगड़े होते रहते हैं।
As far as when it comes to the accused in the case, but not denying as far as when it comes to the torture, the assault that the woman, the victim in the case, had to bear for the several long years there. Kritika is getting us those voices, but in the meantime, the woman, Nikki, who was set on fire in front of her child. Imagine when it comes to the trauma, the child that has been scarred for life. He's seen his own mother being set ablaze. He's given out the statement saying कि पापा ने मम्मी के ऊपर कुछ डाला, पापा ने मम्मी को थप्पड़ मारा और फिर पापा ने मम्मी को लाइटर से आग लगा दी।
मम्मा के ऊपर गाली को डाला, फिर मम्मा को चाटा मारा, फिर लाइटर से आग लगा दी थी। मम्मा के ऊपर गाली को डाला, फिर मम्मा को चाटा मारा, फिर लाइटर से आग लगा दी थी।
But the grounds for defense, imagine, this is even more shocking, that are now coming in as far as this video that has now surfaced online. And in this video, the mother who is now in custody, as we call her Nikki's mother-in-law, this is now being watched in that very video that can be seen, that Nikki, husband Vipin and mother-in-law Daya, there seems to be some scuffle that has been taking place. Online you would have seen this video being circulated widely. But here the mother-in-law could be seen thrashing her own son, and friends of Vipin Bhati claim that Daya was actually trying to save her daughter-in-law and she was angry at her own son. So Kritika, this is another narrative is that being tried to build here, as far as saying that the mother-in-law, the father-in-law, the family was aware that Vipin used to beat up his wife and they wanted to stop him?
So everyone that we've been speaking to here, none of them are denying that fights did not happen. Scuffles did happen between the couple on the regular. In fact, the fresh claim that is being made by them in order to defend Daya, who is the mother-in-law, the mother of Vipin is that this entire video that was making the rounds yesterday is part of a larger video which was edited purposefully. So they claim that in fact, Daya was trying to beat up her own son and was trying to save daughter-in-law Nikki from being beaten up by Vipin. This is the narrative that the family friends who have assembled here are in fact claiming again and again that Daya was not involved, and that is why they're now floating another part of the video wherein we can see how Daya is now thrashing her own son Vipin. So counter claims of this sort are coming in. There is an angle about the Instagram presence of both the sisters as well, and how not just the family but also the community at large was not very pleased with it. So these are all the counter claims that are coming in. But remember,
the common ground coming in is that yes, there were fights. No, they were not just verbal fights. They escalated to physical fights, assault and torture. But narrative that is now been built upon. But will it bring back Nikki? No, it will not. Let's get you as far as when it comes to the lust for money and then downright greed, how it eventually built up over the last 9 years of their marriage. She's been going through hell. She's been going through all the torture, the dowry that had happened, the demands that continue to build over when it comes to a marriage despite having children as well. What is being said from Nikki's family? They have been saying that during the marriage, when the marriage happened, they already gave the Bhati Parivar a Scorpio SUV, 30 tola sona. 30 tola gold was given. Other gifts and valuables were also given. And then when Nikki and her husband had a child, the family gave additional 11 tolas of gold. But when it appears that their greed only mounted further, the family went on to torture, demanding additional 36 lakh rupees before they ended up setting fire on Nikki herself. Now, when it comes to this development, everybody seems to be waking up. They now seem to be taking cognizance of this incident that has been reported from Greater Noida. The National Women's Commission has also taken cognizance and has sought a report from the UP DGP within 3 days. So far, what we are getting to know that the UP police has managed to arrest all of the accused in this case. Main accused being Vipin Bhati, who is the husband of Nikki, Dayavati, who is the mother-in-law. We are looking at Satvir, which is the father-in-law, and Rohit, who is the brother-in-law, who has also now been held.
कुछ कहना चाहते हो आप?
गलती पछतावा है?
गलती का पछतावा है आपको?
मुझे नहीं मैंने मारी है।
हाँ।
ना मैंने कुछ किया है, अपने आप मरी है।
हाँ। अच्छा। और
आप पहले भी मारपीट करते थे उससे?
मियाँ बीवी में हर जगह लड़ाई होती रहती है, ये कोई आम बात नहीं है।
अच्छा। और
वो अपने आप लगाई?
बस मुझे और कुछ नहीं पता ना।
पछतावा है?
नहीं, हाँ बहुत पछतावा है।
बच्चा भी 5 साल का।
हाँ
ठीक है।
Now there are more updates coming in. What is now being said that Nikki's family has now been alleging that despite giving them a car and a bullet, Vipin and his brother had eyes on Nikki's family's new Mercedes car. Now, when Nikki and Kanchan, the sisters, came home, because they are married in the same family, they would make reels about new Scorpio and Mercedes, after which Vipin and his elder brother or older brother would pressure them to give the Mercedes to them. Now, this seems to be another angle that now seems to be emerging as to what may have led to the fights continuously within the family, that to this effect, it went to such an extreme level that Nikki was set ablaze. Let's get a word from Priyank now. Priyank, what is this Mercedes angle that is now coming in? What is now being said? Nikki and Kanchan coming on from well-off families. They wanted, as far as Vipin and his family, to extract as much wealth from them as possible.
Yes, Satya. So that is why the dowry angle has once again come up even after 8 years of marriage of the couple. What is important to be seen is a social media post by both the sides, because Nikki and the accused, Vipin, both of them had been quite active on the social media platform, and the accused was making reel with second-hand vehicles while Nikki was making it with high-end vehicles. So that was one of the reasons because of which the couple could not have a cordial relationship. But no one could have realized that even after the settlement which happened in between both the family members' side, the things will go out till this extent that she will be burned alive. Today, the accused family has once again come out with their defense, where they have released a video, the CCTV footage, which is under the investigation of the police official, where the police is trying to ascertain that whether the accused was inside the residence or not. at that particular moment. So multiple twists and turns coming in this Dowdy death case, where the
Yes.
victim family once had a
So
settlement
does
with
the
accused.
settlement between the two families that was reached upon actually costed the life of Nikki? Could have she been saved if the matter was raised before an action would have been taken? Well, right now she is no more. But when we talk of multiple angles that now seems to be emerging, all of the 4 accused are now in the custody of the police. Priyank, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.